Hi everyone, I hope I find you safe and well. Anyhow, I am feeling the shivers of fear running up and down my spine from social media lately in light of everything, and I'm doing my best to distract myself from it so I can stay focused on keeping my business going into the future. I do not expect business at present. I always have contingency plans in place due to my age and circumstances, and I make it clear to everyone my business is not profitable, but nor do I depend on it for income. But my goal at present is to ensure I remain memorable and at the forefront of my industry and the go-to person once this all passes. And so I am distracting myself with learning and more learning and redevelopment of my business pages and websites. Otherwise, I'd be over on Twitter freaking out. Please don't go to Twitter. It's full of hysteria and vitriol. Anyhow, my point is, be you a business owner or a professional looking to make some moves going forward, now is the perfect time to find the time to self-teach yourself and sample some toe dipping into areas of interest to you. I have put a list of free courses below for you to explore in your own time. Please add to the thread if you have any more suggestions. And to my fellow coaches and small business owners, I again strongly recommend some of the Google and HubSpot courses available online. Anyhow, please continue to stay safe, sane, and in your own lane. Peace and perspective to you as always.